sausage. Instead of, normally I fry sausage and put on the side to get the grease out, but then I'm gonna use the grease. I'm gonna cook the sausage first and get the grease out of it, and then cook my onions, saute my onions and everything in. This is our salad onion. So luckily I had it. 3 Sister dish is a dish that a lot of the Northeast and Southeastern tribes do. It's a universal type dish for the tribes there. Not so much other places that I if I remember right, but I know that we do this dish. Yeah. And you can I use black beans just because of the color, because it's a pretty presentation. That's why I do it, because I work at Jazz Fest. I do a lot of cooking demonstration at Jazz Fest. So people love colors, and so that's why I started using black bean. But a lot of times you can use any kind of beans you want, squash, corn, and beans. That's the and some people use pinto beans. Some people use white beans. But I like beans because it's colors.
Did you catch them?
We did. That's our shrimp boat out there. We have a shrimp boat. We'll go catch shrimp.